Welcome to this lesson video. Today we'll be looking at parallel lines and transversals. Let us start. We say two lines are parallel to each other if the distance between them remains the same throughout. So basically, if the distance between them remains the same, these two lines will never ever meet each other at a particular point. Now let's say we have these two parallel lines, and then there's another line which crosses the two lines. We say this line is transversal. Today's lesson is based on parallel lines and transversals. We will be looking at angles formed by transversals and these parallel lines. Let's look at this diagram. We look at all the angles formed by this transversal and parallel lines. We have angle A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now the first type of angles we are going to look at is corresponding angles. What is important is to know that corresponding angles are always equal to each other. Now, whenever you think about corresponding angles, think about letter F. So, in this diagram, we'll be looking at these particular shapes. It's sort of like an X. It's like letter F. And then we focus only on angles located here. Those angles are corresponding to each other and then they are equal. Now let us simply go back to the diagram. Can you see F? This is our first F, so it means this angle and this one, they are corresponding angles, and then they are equal. So under corresponding angles, we can say angle C, let me quickly check, no, it's angle D and it's angle D and H. Angle D and H and angle H, they are equal. Why? Corresponding angles. We can identify another F. So this angle and this one, they are equal. So let us simply do the notes here. We said it's angle D and angle H. Then we have angle C and angle G. I don't know if you see another F. Looking upside down, we have this and this. So angle A, it's equals to angle E. Looking at another F, we have this. So this angle and this one, they're also equal. So the last one, we have angle B, it's equals to angle F. This is what we call the corresponding angles. They are equal to each other. They are equal actually. The next part of this lesson is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. What happens to those angles? They are also equal. Whenever you think about alternate angles, think about letter Z. Might be like this or like this. Let me actually do this. We have Z like this, or like this. Sometimes it might face this direction. So the angles that we focus on are these angles. These angles are alternate interior angles. They are equal. So going back to our diagram, we need to take out alternate angles. So you can see we have Z, so it means this angle and this one, they're equal. So angle D is equal to angle E. We also have this Z. This angle and this one, they're equal. So angle C is equals to angle F. I hope you can see this. Our next part of the lesson video is called interior angles. Which are supplementary. So co-interior angles are supplementary. Remember, supplementary, it means they add up to 180. The letter you should think of is letter C. Can be like this, like this, like this, or like this. So basically this angle plus this one, they add up to 180, this one and this one, this one and this one, and also this one and this one. So from our diagram, let us look at those angles. So this plus this is equals to 180. So angle F plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees. This angle and this one equals to 180 degrees. We have this exercise. We need to calculate the other remaining angles. We are given that the first angle, which is this one, is 180 degrees. So we need to use those three types of angles or theorems. So if this is 180, we can see letter F, which is corresponding angles. Using corresponding angles, we can then say angle D is equals to 120. So we have 120 here. From here, Z, which is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles, we can then say angle C is equals to 120 also. Corresponding angles again. Corresponding angles, we can say angle G is equals to 120. Co-interior angles, can you see that? So co-interior angles, we can say that angle E plus 120 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then angle E is equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So angle E is equals to 60 degrees. So we have 60 degrees here. This and this, they're equal. So you can see that angle B is equals to 60 degrees. So we also have 60 here. Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles, we can say angle A is equals to 60 degrees. And then the last one, corresponding again. So angle F is equals to 60 degrees. So we also have 60 degrees. So this is how we use these theorems to calculate angles when we have parallel lines and a transversal. That's it for this lesson video. This is Bahula SJ. Thank you very much.